Markets for You, probably isa to sa mga forex broker or platform na narinig nyo when it comes to forex trading. And ang tanong, goods bang mag-trade dito sa platform na ito? I'm John F. Dong. Tara, reviewin natin yan. So we're here sa website ng Markets for You, and first impressions, green yung overall theme ng kanilang platform. And judging by this, I guess talagang it reflects that they really want us to be bullish, or siguro panalo lagi kasi most of the time kapag sinabing red, bearish, pag sinabi namang green is bullish, which means gains. Now, it says here, making the markets work for you, experience advanced trading technologies, and unlock your earning potential with Markets for You. So around 3 million plus yung nag-open ng accounts dito, 1.3 billion plus orders executed, and 18 years na rin sila from Forex for You na branding. Ito na po siya ngayon, Markets for You. Now, these are the current features na talagang ino-offer nila sa mga customers nila. They offer tight spreads from 0.1 pips for cost-effective trading, invest less and trade big with up to 1:4,000 leverage, and orders executed in just 0.1 seconds. So, yun madalas ang hinahanap din ng mga traders. If you're into these features, ito po yung kayang ibigay sa inyo ng Markets for You. When it comes naman sa onboarding, napakadali lang here with Markets for You. So we have 3 simple steps to start with Markets for You. First is sign up and connect, deposit funds, and start trading. Ganun lang po kasimple according dito sa website ng Markets for You. According naman sa Trustpilot, ang rating nito is excellent. So ayan yung mga clients reviews, easy to download and use, execution speed is also fast, and the responsiveness of the app is super good. And according to Michael A. from Google Play, sa App Store naman, all I can say is that this app is good for everyone wanting to know how global markets behave daily. From India, sa App Store naman to. And from Trustpilot, 5.0 yung rating. And their user-friendly interface, extensive trading tools, and dedication to customer satisfaction set them apart. Wow. I guess these are good ratings or feedback from the Trustpilot na platform kasi hindi naman pwedeng mag-excellent yung rating niyan ng basta-basta. And also, you can watch their client stories, ayan, from different countries. Andyan si Rahul, James, and Kamal. So you can watch their client stories. That's what their traders are saying about the Markets for You. And pwede rin tayo matuto from their experiences and to see the results, how they achieve this using Markets for You. Currently, meron silang mga special offers para sa mga magpapasok ng kanilang mga funds, mag-trade dito sa Markets for You. So they offer 100% deposit bonus, and this program gives you the opportunity to earn more with your capital. When you deposit into your trading account, they will double it. So for example, naglagay kayo ng $10, magiging $20. Kung maglagay kayo $100, magiging $200. But always meron niyang terms and conditions. So mamaya itatakel po natin yan. To add na rin, they offer this partnership where you get monthly loyal program payouts. You also get the support from the marketing materials, may exclusive VIP events and activities, plus unlimited commissions kapag gusto nyo itong kanilang partnership program. So they offer this one, and over 102,000 partners na ang kasama dito sa partnership program ng Markets for You. Next is one account for multiple platforms. So choose from Markets for You's proprietary apps or MetaTrader platforms. So trade from home or on the go, all using one account. So unlike other exchanges or other platforms, other forex broker, etong Markets for You, pwedeng isang account lang po, pwede nyo gamitin yan across the iOS, Android, or pwede rin sa MT4 or MT5, one account lang. Next, we can enjoy seamless deposits and withdrawals. Yan talaga ay isa rin sa mga hinahanap ng mga nagtatrade because some of the forex brokers ay hindi no-offer ito. Madalas nade-delay ng ilang araw, ng ilang oras, minsan mas masama ilang linggo. But with Markets for You, you can actually deposit funds using your favorite payment system and withdraw money hassle-free from their unique auto withdrawal feature. When it comes to recognition, a globally recognized broker po itong Markets for You, having this award sa recent Forex Expo Dubai 2025 for being the best global broker. Ito recent lang din from Finance Magnates as the best broker in Thailand, at marami pang iba pang mga awards nung last year 2024. Now from this pa lang, we can really tell na okay etong Markets for You. And syempre, this will really depend pa rin doon sa preferences ninyo as a trader. But definitely, it's a good sign pa lang, as we see all these reviews, all these awards from Markets for You. I guess isa to sa pwede nating i-consider na forex broker pagdating sa forex trading. Now, what sets Markets for You apart doon sa kanilang mga competitors, no? So, according dito, get more from every trade with their cashback program, free market analysis, and leverage options designed to boost your potential. So, isa sa mga features talaga rin na hinahanap ng mga nagtitrade is yung cashback program. Imagine kung marami po kayong tinitrade, ang daming open trades na nilalagay. Let's say, nagka-copy trade kayo, which is pwede rin through Share for You na pinost natin recently. Since yan madalas no by batch or marami kayo mag-trades, kung may cashback program talagang matatake advantage nyo yan, and magandang feature yan kung talagang active trader kayo. Next is a variety of instruments. So you can expand your trading horizons with over 150 instruments, from stocks and indices to currencies and metals. Find the best to seize all market opportunities. So, meron silang over 50 plus na currency pairs, 50 plus company stocks, kasama din gold, Brent, WTI, and more, plus 15 more no na major indices na pwede nyo pagpilian again from the variety of instruments available dito sa Markets for You. Now, about naman sa account type, no, Markets for You offers classic and cent trading. So, pick your path with the classic or cent accounts from Markets for You. They are tailored to your growth and suitable for traders at all levels. So, sa classic, meron tayong standard and pro. Also sa cent, meron tayong pro and standard. So sa classic, anong pinagkaiba nito, no? Kapag standard, you can benefit from a floating spread starting at 0.9 pips and swap free trading without extra charges. So ito yung features na kasama dyan. So may market execution, maximum lots din nyo is 500, no commission, and floating spread from 0.9 pip. However, dito tayo sa most popular, which is yung classic na pro, enjoy full freedom with floating spreads from 0.1 pips, one-click trading, and level 2 codes. So, dito pa rin, merong market execution, maximum lots din natin is 500, and meron naman itong commission, no? So, 3.5 USD per side, and floating spread from 0.1 pip. So, ayan, nakalagay naman dito, no? Zero minimum deposit, leverage from 1:10 to 1:4,000. Contract size, 1 lot is equivalent to 100,000. Minimum volume is 0.01 lot. And available for Share for You, meaning pwede po kayong mag-copy trade with the classic. Now, dito naman sa cent, basahin natin, no? So, una is Cent Pro. Probably, ito yung mas recommended. I don't know. Wala naman nakalagay for the meantime. But let's read with the Cent, no, na Pro. So, begin your trading journey by using micro lots with market order execution and floating spreads. So, andyan yung market execution. Commission is 7 cents per lot. Floating spread from 0.1 pips. And limit and stop from 2 pips. Okay, that's for the Cent Pro account. However, for the Cent Standard, trade with a cent contract size from 0.01 lots and enjoy zero commission and flexible leverage. So, andyan pa rin yung market execution, wala nga lang commission, from 0.9 pips and no limits. So, zero minimum deposit, leverage from 1:10 and 1:4,000. Available din siya sa Share for You, meaning pwede rin kayo mag-copy trade, and ang minimum volume is 0.01 lot. With this, I believe maganda na they provide all these description and the differences between these accounts from classic to cent, no? At least you have the option kung ano man yung pipiliin mo with these type of accounts, and meron ding standard, merong pro. Depende na rin talaga kung alin ba dyan yung gagamitin mo, whether you're trading manually or kung gusto nyo mag-copy trade through Share for You. You can also do that since nakita naman natin and it says na pwede nga daw po, compatible po yan with all these type of accounts. Speaking of copy trading, eto nga po yung copy trading ng Markets for You, ang Share for You. So follow seasoned leaders, copy their trades, reap the rewards of their success, or you can also become a leader and share your strategies to earn more. So tatlong easy steps ulit. Sign up and connect, choose your leaders, copy, and monitor. Kapag ikaw naman yung leader, halimbawa, yan, 3 simple steps lang din. Sign up and connect, start sharing trades, trade, and succeed. So, talagang they are actually being repetitive, no? Talagang consistent sila. Kapag ka nag-sign up ka with Markets for You, regardless kung sa Share for You, magka-copy trade, magiging leader ka or follower ka, or gusto mo lang gumawa na ako sa Markets for You, 3 easy, simple steps lang ang kailangan mo. Now, you might ask, no, aside from all these trading features na makikita natin or ma-experience natin dito sa Forex Broker na Markets for You, ano pa bang meron na ino-offer sila or probably mga promotions na meron as you sign up as their client dito sa platform nila? Well, over here sa kanilang promotions page, no, we discovered that meron silang mga exclusive promotions and bonuses na ino-offer not just for the client but also for their partners. So, start tayo with client. Meron silang tinatawag dito na Profit Masters 2025. So, you compete in Markets for You's biggest trading challenge. So, merong 2 leaderboards. One is local and the second is global. Tapos, merong $15,000 in total prizes and real-time rankings in the trader room. So, this actually runs last October 6 and until November 28, 2025. So, pwede pa kayong sumali dito if you think na kaya nyong makipag-compete dito sa Profit Masters 2025. Next is, hindi naman siya para sa Philippines, no? But if you're living dito sa bansang ito, for the client, you can trade and earn at the prime rate. So, step into greater profits with Market for You's prime rate promotion. Enjoy daily trading rewards of up to 0.4% and benefit from weekly payouts that reflect your trading volume. So, the principle is simple. The more you trade, the more you earn. With auto-enrollment, there are no extra steps required to start benefiting today. But of course, terms and conditions apply. Be sure na basahin nyo po muna yung overall ng terms and conditions para maintindihan nyo po at hindi kayo mag-expect ng iba. Now, for the deposit bonus, halos lahat naman ng clients nila merong deposit bonus. However, hindi lahat ng bansa, no, kung saan accessible ang Markets for You, mag-take advantage nitong 100% deposit bonus. Again, halimbawa, kung magpasok kayo ng 50 USD, dodoblehin nila yan. But again, meron din mga terms and conditions dito. For example, kapag dinoble nila yan, meron kayong need na i-trade, no, for how many lot size, and then dun mo lang pwedeng i-withdraw lahat ng funds mo if ever man na kukunin mo yung deposit bonus. But again, please do read the terms and conditions kasi nagbabago yan constantly. And lastly, for the client, you can also refer a friend where you can unlock rewards by inviting your friends to join Markets for You. You receive $50 for each successful registration they make through your referral. So, malaking bagay ito, no? $50 for each successful registration they make through your referral. And of course, I think most of the time, sa mga na-try kong mga brokers, sa mga platforms, usually hindi naman binibigay yan right away. Binibigay yan if your client is also trading. So, kung ganun ang tingin yung quality of referrals ninyo, pwede ninyong i-take advantage with Markets for You. Now, dito yung mga frequently asked questions, pwede nyo basahin po yan. Next is para naman sa mga partners. So, here sa partner, you can unlock your dream trip 2025. So, win your share of 40,000 plus USD in trip vouchers. So, 2 ways to win. Pwedeng fixed awards or lucky draw. And you can track progress live again in the trader room. So this one, nag-start no October 1 hanggang December 31, 2025. So kung trip ninyo pagpunta ng ibang bansa, magbakasyon, and yun nga, pwede nyo ma-unlock to if you're a partner ng Markets for You. Speaking of partners, grow together with Markets for You. Join as a Markets for You partner and step into a world of passive income opportunities. So meron silang tailored partner programs which recognizes your efforts with substantial real money rewards. And ito na daw yung total paid out in commissions since 2007. Ang laki, no? 242 million US dollars. Grabe, ang laki nito. But again, this is since 2007. So, yeah, as we scroll down here, makita natin, ito may video guide on how you can be successful as a partner. Tapos, ito yung mga benefits like you get this monthly loyalty program payout. Meron ding IB program where you earn up to $15 per lot size. ML program, get up to $25 per client and exclusive VIP events and activities. Ako na-experience ko na tong exclusive VIP events way back dun sa mga previous broker ko. So, most of this na nakikita ninyo as a partner, talagang binibigay po ito ng mga broker. But again, no, please note that all of the partner programs benefits are subject of terms and conditions. Lagi pong nagbabago yung terms and conditions, which is why dapat constantly rin pong binabasa ninyo yan kasi probably itong video recording natin may not be applicable in the future. Okay. So choose your partner program, no? Ito Under dito, pick your path with the classic or sent accounts from Markets for You. They are tailored to your growth and suitable for traders at all levels. So, meron tayong tatawag na IB or Introducing Broker where you can earn up to 7-2% commission by referring your friends, colleagues, or students. Ideal for EA providers, mentors, signal services, and trading academies. So, up to $14.04 from spread share on Euro USD per lot. Up to 7.5 USD from order opening commission share per lot, loyalty bonus of up to 20% on monthly commission, and I think marami pang iba as we click on the learn more. Sa multi-level naman, no, separate ito from the IB. You can create a partner network that spans 5 levels and make money from each. So, perfect for those who have many connections as it provides endless chance to earn. So, dito nagdi-differ yung pinaka magiging commission. So, up to $10 from spread share on Euro USD per lot, up to $5 from order opening commission share per lot, and the total payout up to 66% from all network levels. And I think marami pa yan. Medyo complex pa yan. But for this, I guess, talagang basahin ninyo maigi kung ito yung isa sa gusto ninyong tahaking na path kung halimbawa napapasok kayo sa mundo ng forex trading. So, dito naman, unlimited commission per client, auto rebate for clients, both trading and copy services, and copy trading commission of up to $8 per lot size. Okay? So, ito, pwede nyong i-contact no, yung Markets for You regarding this. I can also assist you guys kung gusto ninyo ng assistance with Markets for You because meron din tayong pwedeng pagtanungan dito sa Markets for You. So, ito yung pinapakita nilang milestone. No? Pwede natin gawing reference ito. So, achieve milestones and get rewards. Elevate your partnership experience with our exclusive status levels designed to celebrate your growth and success. So, dito yung IB program. Ito naman yung multi-level program. Para makita nyo lang in comparison no, yung kaninang pinag-usapan natin. So, dito sa IB program, pag bronze yung status mo, in, out, up to $5,000. So, 40% yung magiging payout nyo. So, from silver, no, nag-upgrade from bronze to silver, 5,000 plus, which means 45% yung magiging payout nyo na. Gold, 50%, platinum, 55%, diamond, 60%. So, nag-i-increase ng 5% sa IB program. With multi-level program, yung in and out, mas mababa compared dun sa IB program. However, yung payout total dito is 54% starting, then 50%, 60%, 62%, and 66%. But then again, basahin nyo po na maigi in terms and conditions kasi nagbabago po yan from time to time. Ayan. And just like nung kanina, no? Become a partner in 3 simple steps. So, sign up, refer, and earn more. So, yan yung pinaka-sistema nila with 3 simple steps dito sa Markets for You. Madali lang po or basic lang po yung inyong account creation. Actually, overwhelming lahat ng information na nakita natin sa website nila. Kompleto, ang daming awards, and at the same time, no, talagang tinatangkilik daw siya ng mga users. So, I guess that's enough no, para masabi or ma-figure out din natin, ma-find out natin that maybe we can really trust etong platform ng Markets for You. In fact, sobrang dali lang pong i-download din ng kanilang application sa Google Play Store and sa App Store. Makikita nyo po yan, search nyo lang Markets for You. Right now, I'm here with my BlueStacks. It's an Android emulator, so parang tablet po. I can also install Markets for You. I can also access this. So basically, kapag may account na ako, pwede ko lang i-login dito and makakapag-trade na po ako. Speaking of, paano nga ba gumawa ng account dito sa Markets for You? We provided a registration link dyan sa description natin. So, mariredirect po kayo dito sa page na ito. And you have 2 options right now dyan sa taas. You can use your Google or your Facebook account. However, I recommend na gamitin nyo na lang is yung email niyo just in case na magkaroon ng problema sa Google and sa Facebook. At least hindi po mawawala yung access ninyo dyan sa account ninyo. So, gumamit po ng valid email and ilagay yung password. Tapos, kung may referral code kayo, ilagay nyo po dyan. Then, confirm and continue. And then, magsasend po ng email si Markets for You dyan sa inyong provided email. Kailangan nyo lang po i-verify and mag-provide po ng inyong valid ID for the KYC or Know Your Customer para po dito sa verification ng account ninyo since ang tinatransact po natin dito ay tunay na pera. Once meron ka ng account na i-verify mo na through the KYC, pwede mo nang i-open yung application ng Markets for You. So, pwede nyo na pong i-log in dito yung account na ginawa ninyo. So, kung ginamit niyo is yung phone number ninyo, pwede nyo pong i-log in with phone number. Pero kagaya nung kanina, email po yung ginamit natin. So, we will be logging in with our email. So ilagay lang po natin dito yung email natin and yung password, then click on login. After mag-login, kailangan nyo po gumawa ng PIN. So let's say for example, 111 ang ating PIN dito. Yan. And then you get access sa inyong account. Again, dapat verified po ito para mapag-start po kayo mag-trade. So ano po bang meron dito sa platform ng Markets for You? So nandito yung mga instruments, no, kagaya nung kaninang nireview natin. Then over here sa trading, no, may mga instruments tayo kagaya ng crypto, dyan sa mga majors, nandiyan yung mga Australian dollars, Canadian dollars. Ito rin may metal spot, US stocks, energy, indices, agriculture, at itong dalawang natitira. So ito yung mga pwede ninyong i-trade dito sa Markets for You. Meron ding tinatawag na analytics na section, no? So nandyan merong calendar, may trade ideas, tapos dito rin yung forex, ayan. So anything na pwedeng makatulong para sa inyo is also available dito sa website, no? Or sa app rather. And then sa orders, ito yung mga open or yung mga ongoing orders ninyo. Nandyan yung pending kung meron man, and then yung close nandito rin. And yung profile niyo, of course. So, ito yung akin. Ayan. And then, meron ding messages section. Nandito lumalabas lahat. Kung merong mga importanteng messages na na-miss ninyo, yung mga notifications. So, yun. Para mag-start mag-trade dito, of course, kailangan nyo maglagay, no? Mag-deposit ng inyong assets. Click on the deposit button. Makikita po natin dito yung mga available na pwede nating gamitin for depositing. So, since nasa Philippines po tayo, no? PHP yung ginagamit dito na taker. So dito, ayan, meron tayong internet banking, cryptocurrencies, and payment system. So let's say nasa crypto scene din kayo like me, I'll be choosing cryptocurrencies, and eto yung mga choices na pwede kong pagpilian. If you prefer internet banking, eto ang available. If you prefer naman yung payment systems, meron tayong Skrill, Neteller, and Wallet. Okay, so ayan yung mga kaya niyang i-cover, and 0% fees naman so far. And lastly, no, I recommend na i-follow niyo po yung kanilang Instagram. I think ito yung pinaka-active nilang social media pagdating sa mga announcements, sa mga campaigns na paparating, and yung mga ongoing campaigns para po updated kayo whenever na may mga promos and pa-reward sila, especially para sa mga active traders dito sa platform ng Markets for You. So far, based dito sa pagre-review natin, no, I believe okay naman ang Markets for You. In fact, nakapag-trade na po ako dyan, and okay naman, no, yung pag-deposit and yung withdrawal. It's just hindi talaga ako profitable trader. I'm not really into manual trading, but it's good na meron silang share for you, which is na-review na natin, no, ng mabilisan lang. But if you want na gawan natin ng in-detailed, no, na guide or review kagaya ng ginawa natin dito, let us know down there in the comments para po magawan natin ng dedicated review ang share for you ng Markets for You. But if you're gonna be asking me again, okay dito sa Markets for You, you can really add this one sa mga listahan ng forex broker or platform na pwede ninyong gamitin if you're trading forex. And of course, if you find this video helpful, hit that thumbs up. And if you have any questions or requests regarding sa Markets for You, let us know down there in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga videos na ina-upload natin dito sa ating YouTube channel. Also, please consider following us sa ating mga social media accounts sa Twitter, Facebook, Instagram at John F. Dong, and sa TikTok at JF Dong. And yun lang, kita-kits tayo sa mga next videos natin. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless.
Uy, nandiyan ka pa pala. Kung gusto mo pa manood ng mga videos natin dito sa ating channel, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung ating mga playlists. Andyan po lahat yan, naka-ready na po para po iisang topic lang, hindi po ay maligaw-ligaw dito sa ating YouTube channel. O siya, kita-kits tayo sa mga videos natin, and see you soon sa ating mga videos.